Today we take you to hike the Lavaux vineyard terraces by following the Swiss wine route.
Lavaux is a vineyard stretching for about 30 kilometers along the shores of Lake Geneva.
It has been classified as a UNESCO Universal Heritage Site since 2007.
The famous grape variety of the region is a chasselas, a fruity and dry white wine. Could you imagine to drink a glass of chasselas in front of this awesome landscape?
I really recommend you to come and discover this outstanding landscape.
And if you liked this video, just subscribe!